Welcome to today's story of automation. Inventory alerts in manufacturing industries. This is Alex. He works as an inventory manager at a manufacturing company. He has a friend, Speedy. It is an RPA bot who does all his repetitive work 24/7. He uses Speedy to help himself in the tedious task of generating inventory alerts. He just triggers the plug-and-play automation solution from his mobile phone, and the bot starts working. The bot reads the orders, wastages, and purchase documents. It alters the stock quantity of every affected SKU in the inventory. Alert reports of every stock item, whose quantity is less than a specific quantity, is generated and sent to the management. While Speedy does the repetitive job, Alex focuses on getting the best quality material in his inventory. Does this excite you? We work to make your life easier. EmergeFlow, taking a robot out of a human.